In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Xero to Microsoft Excel, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your financial data with your spreadsheets for enhanced analysis and reporting. Both Xero and Xero are powerful tools, and combining them can give you more control over your data, streamlining your business processes. So, let's dive into the steps to make this connection effortlessly. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Xero dashboard. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll notice a dot grid icon. This icon is your gateway to accessing additional features within Xero. Go ahead and click on that dot grid icon. Once you've clicked, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you're going to select the option that says Open Xero App Store. The App Store provides a range of applications specifically designed to enhance and extend the capabilities of Xero. It's here where you'll find various apps that can integrate with Microsoft Excel. Now, you need to search for Microsoft Excel within the App Store. Simply type Microsoft Excel in the search bar, and you'll see a list of available Xero apps pop up, each designed to connect your Xero data with Excel in different ways. Browsing through this list will allow you to explore multiple options, and this is your opportunity to find the one that best fits your particular needs. After you've reviewed the options, click on one of the apps that catches your interest. By doing so, you can explore what it offers and whether its features align with the requirements of your workflow. It's a good idea to check the app details, which might include customer reviews and usage tips to ensure it will serve your purpose well. Once you've found the perfect app, click on the Get This App button. This will initiate the process of connecting it to your Xero account. At this stage, it's important to closely follow the specific connection instructions provided by the app. Each application might have slightly different steps based on its design and functionality, so ensure you pay attention to any prompts or requirements that appear. And just like that, you've integrated Xero with Microsoft Excel. By completing these simple steps, you've enabled a powerful link between your financial data and your spreadsheets, making it easier to conduct detailed analyses and reports, which can be crucial for informed decision-making. This integration is incredibly beneficial for financial management, as it offers real-time data transfer between Xero and Excel, making sure your reports and figures are always up to date. Remember, the key to harnessing the full potential of these tools is to regularly explore and utilize the range of features and integrations available. Thank you for watching, and happy analyzing.